As the International Criminal Court prepares to move forward with its confirmation of charges hearing, Senator Robin Padilla is stepping up his defense of former President Rodrigo Duterte, calling for unity among Filipinos and stressing that politics should take a back seat when a countryman is detained on foreign soil. This report from MJ Mondihar.
Senator Robin Padilla is confident that the International Criminal Court or ICC will grant former President Rodrigo Duterte's request for interim release. If approved, Duterte would be placed under house arrest, giving his family the chance to personally attend to his health.
Hinihingi natin yung interim release. Inaasahan ko talaga yon. Kasi kasama naman yun nung binasahan si FPRRD, sinabi yun nung judge na meron talagang interim release.
Duterte's legal team says there is already a country willing to host the former president once the request is granted. Reports also indicate that the former president has lost significant weight inside the ICC detention facility due to the loss of appetite. Unlike in the Philippines, where rice and flavorful dishes are staples, meals in the Netherlands are simpler. Bread and cheese for breakfast and lunch, and potatoes and vegetables and meat for dinner.
Ako, hoping. Kasi ilang buwan na, 5 buwan na doon si Tatay Digong.
The senator is set to attend gatherings in The Hague during Duterte's confirmation hearing this September.
Kahit na binabati ko siya 24 hours, okay lang. Ako naman talagang naniniwala ako na si Digong, Tatay Digong, ang isa sa masasabi kong pinakamagaling na Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
Padilla stressed that the Filipino people themselves have felt the changes brought by the former chief executive. This explains why millions of Filipinos around the globe continue to support him.
Kahit na sinasabi na ako ay tuta niya, ako ay aso niya, wala po kayong magagawa. Talagang sabihin niyo na kung ano yung gusto niyong sabihin. Pero ako po'y naniniwala talaga na nakaramdam ang taong bayan ng pagbabago noong panahon niya.
And just weeks before the ICC's confirmation of charges hearing, Padilla had his message for Duterte's critics.
At doon naman po sa mga kababayan natin na hindi man kayo Tatay Digong, isa lang po ang paalala ko. Hindi man tayo parehas ng kulay, isa lang ang totoo. Isang Pilipino ang nakakulong sa banyagang bansa. Ito ay malaking kalungkutan sa atin. Dapat po nating namnamin na dapat ang Pilipino, kung ikukulong, dapat sa bayan natin.
For Godmobile of Philippines, MJ Mondihar, SMNI News.